Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Blacks Harbour is a coastal village in Charlotte County, New Brunswick, located on the Bay of Fundy, about 60 kilometers southwest of the city of St. John. The village is one of the province's most important fishing communities and has built its reputation around the seafood industry. Surrounded by sheltered waters, rolling hills, and dense forests, Blacks Harbour combines a traditional maritime lifestyle with one of the busiest commercial fishing economies in Atlantic Canada. Blacks Harbour has a population of about 1,000 people. Although it is a relatively small community, it serves as an important employment centre for much of the surrounding area. Residents from nearby villages travel here to work, shop, and access services. The harbour is usually busy with fishing boats, transport vessels, and activity related to the seafood industry, giving the village a strong working waterfront atmosphere throughout the year. The history of the area stretches back thousands of years. Long before European settlement, the Passamaquoddy and Mi'kmaq peoples traveled these waters for fishing, hunting, and trade. European settlers arrived during the late 1700s, attracted by the sheltered harbour and the rich fishing grounds of the Bay of Fundy. Over time, the community developed around commercial fishing, shipbuilding, farming, and timber harvesting, all of which helped establish the local economy. Today, the seafood industry remains the largest employer in Blacks Harbour. The village is home to one of Canada's largest seafood processing facilities, where large quantities of salmon, herring, lobster, and other seafood are prepared for markets across North America and around the world. Hundreds of people work in seafood processing, quality control, packaging, shipping, refrigeration, maintenance, administration, and transportation. Commercial fishing boats land their catches here throughout the fishing seasons, making the harbour one of the busiest in the province. Aquaculture is another major part of the local economy. The waters around Blacks Harbour support numerous Atlantic salmon farms, providing employment both on the water and on land. Workers maintain fish pens, monitor fish health, transport feed, operate specialized vessels, and process harvested salmon. The aquaculture industry has become one of southwestern New Brunswick's largest employers and plays an important role in the province's economy. Housing in Blacks Harbour remains relatively affordable compared with many larger Canadian communities. Most homes are detached houses on generous lots, with some overlooking the harbour or the Bay of Fundy. In recent years, average home prices have generally ranged between about $275,000 and $375,000. Waterfront homes and larger properties typically sell for more because of their location and views. Today, Blacks Harbour continues to be one of New Brunswick's most important fishing and seafood communities. Commercial fishing, aquaculture, seafood processing, forestry, transportation, tourism, and nearby industrial employers all contribute to the local economy. Although it is a small village, its harbour plays a significant role in Atlantic Canada's seafood industry, while its coastal setting and maritime heritage continue to define life along this part of the Bay of Fundy.
Thanks for watching!